friends! Welcome to my vlog. This is Bandongzki. So for today's video, nag-post ako sa social media na soon makukuha na natin si Xborg. So, ito pala yung motor ko. Ayan, alam niyo naman, it's kahit na ganito yung motor ko, guys. It's 3 years na sa akin to. So, naging part na ng life ko, but since kailangan na natin din ng for our work, and siguro it's time to give ourselves a reward, diba? So, ayan, mahal na mahal ko tong motor na to, kasi madami nang napuntahan. And madami na ding kahit 3, 4 kayo dito, kayang-kaya. But this past few weeks, nag-surrender siya, may mga parts na nahuhulog. So, sabi ko, it's time na bibili na ako ng bago. So, ayan na nga, this is it. So, I will show you my new motorbike. Well, it's not brand new, but it's a second hand pa rin, pero hindi siya nagagamit. Ito ay binenta lang aking guys, so maganda pa rin. So ito siya, let's see Xborg. Ito si Xborg, ayan. Tinest drive ng aking security Samsung. So ito siya sa Xborg, guys, finally. So ayan. So nagpagasolina din and nag-change oil na din. So actually it's a 8 months old motorbike. Na-purchase nila to last 2020. But kasi yung guest ko, yung company nila nag-close. So this is actually this is 7 million. 7 million is around $700. Ayan, mga how much in peso? I don't know. It's 7 million. Chat lang kuni.
Silat.
Moment, you bulisan. Chat lisan.
Pelat.
Petlan. So, nabili ko lang siya in 4 million. So, naging kuwan na din. It's a wave 1. Yeah. So, ayan guys, it's a brand new pa din for me. Kasi nga, I know na kailangan kong i-give up ang aking motorbike na yon, si Blue. Then, ayan, pinangalanan kong Xborg kasi si Xborg sa ML, it's color red. So my favorite character in ML. So ayan siya. Niya.
Puminyang. Melodมาแล้ว puminyang.
โดยขอบใจ
เจ็บไกลเขาไปเปลี่ยนน้ำมันเครื่องกันแล้วน้ำมันเครื่องเปลี่ยนแล้ว
โดย Okay.
ห้ามเลยดีใจแล้วเนี่ยไอ้ตะแลนเลยมิเตศิลปินไอ้อยู่กับฟอร์มลาวไอ้ก็อยู่กับฟอร์มลาวไอ้เลยเลย
Gaya sa mga lang photographer ko, ay videographer.
Okay. Okay.
So ayan na nga guys, nakita nyo si Xborg, ayan. Okay na siya. So, I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Bandongzki. And see you to my next vlog. Bye-bye. So, bye-bye.
Bye.